And you can see this guy was leaking, and I don't know if it's because it could be that they didn't torque this down correctly. Maybe. It could be that it was dirty and they just slapped this guy on when they installed the headers. I don't know. But what I'm trying to achieve here is I'm trying to get as close as possible to perfect, which is almost impossible. It's impossible to get everything done perfect, but I'm trying to eliminate any chance whatsoever of a leak for it having an exhaust leak. We want to keep all those exhaust gases to spool up the turbo, and not to mention, you won't get a true reading of how the engine's performing if you have an exhaust leak. So you need all those gases to go through the O2 to get a good reading of what's going on. So always try to clean it whenever you're installing new headers, exhaust manifold, turbo manifold, whatever. Try to clean it.